Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Jennifer D. Ibasco, 35 years old, married, and have two kids. And my religion is born-again Christian. I am an undergraduate college, Bachelor of Science Business Administration, major in Human Resources. And I work in Saudi Arabia for 2 years and 8 months. And I serve 5 members of the family, including one elderly woman whose age is 85 years old. I want to work in Hong Kong because of the difference between the salary in Saudi Arabia and Hong Kong. And also, I want to see myself working in Hong Kong and what I am capable of. And I I want to show what I can do in working with my new employer. And as serving the family where I working before, I'm doing all the household chores, including cooking, cleaning, and taking care of my madam. And as I going to work in Hong Kong, even though I don't have experience in my previous job taking care of kids, but I do have kids of my own. That's why I know how to take care of them, and I know how to take care of elderly from my previous job. And I'm also willing to take care of pets like dogs and cats. And to my to my new employer, uh, I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to save for my future, the future of my kids and my family. And thank you.